Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock Market Mantras for Beginners. 2021 is clearly a big hit in IPO market and July is proving out to be a profitable month with back-to-back bumper listed IPOs, and finally last two IPOs of July are open for subscription. First IPO is of Glenmark Life Sciences Limited and second IPO is of Rolex Rings Limited. So now the question arises, which IPO is better and can give more listing benefits to us? So starting with analysis of Glenmark Life Sciences first of all. So being a subsidiary of Glenmark Pharma, Glenmark Life Sciences एक leading developer and manufacturer है non-commoditized active pharmaceutical ingredients की, that is APIs, and they are also manufacturing and selling APIs for gastrointestinal disorders, anti-infectives and other areas. December 2020 तक Glenmark was having a portfolio of 120 molecules globally, and they are selling their APIs not only in India but also exporting them to multiple countries in Europe, North America, Japan, etc. तो API बिजनेस में Glenmark Life Sciences की काफ़ी अच्छी पोजीशन है and they are operating 4 multi-purpose manufacturing facilities as well. Company is increasingly providing CDMO, that is contract development and manufacturing operations, wherein they provide wide range of services to multinational and specialty pharma companies. Also total market size जो 120 molecules का है, that is around $142 billion in 2020, and this is expected to grow around 6% in next 5 years. And the company has worked with 16 of the 20 largest generic companies globally. और अगर हम वैल्यूएशंस की बात करें, सो कंपनी इज हैविंग कंसिस्टेंट ग्रोथ इन सेल्स एंड प्रॉफिट्स एंड दे आर ऑपरेटिंग ऑन 30% EBITDA मार्जिन्स फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 to 4 years. सो क्लियरली एक स्टेबिलिटी है कंपनी के ग्रोथ में, कंपनी की अर्निंग्स में, एंड द सेम इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू कंटिन्यू बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज इन देयर CDMO बिजनेस स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली एंड ग्रेट फोकस ऑन रेगुलेटेड मार्केट्स एज वेल. और अगर हम बाकी API कंपनीज से कंपेयर करें, सो द कंपनी इज शोइंग गुड ग्रोथ इन रेवेन्यूज एंड प्रॉफिट्स एंड इज गिविंग एन अमेजिंग रिटर्न टू इट्स स्टेक होल्डर्स. ऑल्सो देयर विल बी zero debt ratio आफ्टर IPO because company will use this amount for payment of outstanding purchase consideration to the promoter for the spin-off of its API business and also to finance some other capital expenditures. So comparing with peers, company is showing good and healthy growth in its statement and IPO भी काफ़ी हद तक fairly priced लग रहा है. Now coming on to IPO details, issue size is 1513.6 crores, out of which 1060 is fresh issue and 453.6 is offer for sale. You can apply for this IPO till tomorrow. 20 shares in a lot with a price of 720. Allotment date is 3 August and finally it will be listing on 6th of August. So being a leading manufacturer of selected specialized APIs and having strong relationship with leading global generic companies, there are clear growth opportunities in their CDMO services as well and clean regulatory track record. My personal opinion is कि हम इस IPO के लिए ज़रूर अप्लाई करें and we can expect 15 to 20% premium listing benefit from this IPO. In fact, it can be proven good in long term as well. Till now, it is oversubscribed by 4 times with retail portion in a great demand. सो IPO प्रीमियम लिस्टिंग और लॉन्ग टर्म बेनिफिट दोनों के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा ऑप्शन प्रूव होने वाला है एंड वी कैन डेफिनेटली अप्लाई फॉर दिस IPO. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू सेकेंड IPO, दैट इज Rolex Rings Limited. It is one of the top 5 forging companies in India and global supplier of hot rolled forged and machine bearing rings and automotive components for various segments of vehicles. Product portfolio include wide range of bearing rings, parts of gearbox and automotive components. Company's manufacturing capabilities are complemented by its tool design, engineering and product development capabilities. Products of company are used in two-wheeler, four-wheeler, railways, windmills, textile, electrical, defense, power, aerospace, industrial, oil and natural gas. Clearly, company is serving to several sectors and is supplying in both domestic and international markets. In 2020, it has exported bearing rings and automotive components to 17 different countries, that is in France, Germany, Thailand, US and others. Company is also having strong manufacturing capabilities and operating in 3 plants in Rajkot with 22 forged lines having capacity of 1,44,750 million tons per annum. कंपनी के एसेट्स में काफ़ी अच्छा इंक्रीज हुआ है एज कम्पेयर टू प्रीवियस ईयर. Although revenues थोड़े कम हो रहे हैं from last 3 years, but still profits are increasing, which might be an indication that company is operating on decent margins. And comparing to all the listed peers, there is a decline in revenues over the past 3 years, but still company has managed to give better returns to equity than any other listed peer, and debt to equity ratio is very less as compared to others. So valuations of company are good as compared to its peers. And now coming on to IPO details. Issue size is 731 crores, wherein 56 crores is fresh issue and 675 crores is offer for sale. 16 shares in a lot with a price of 900. You can apply for this IPO till 30th July. And allotment date is 4th of August, and finally it will be listing on exchanges on 9th of August. But before coming on to final decision, there is one negative point in a company, and that is one of its promoters have pledged its shares against a loan, and the company had defaulted in payment of certain loans in past records as well. तो अगर फ्यूचर में भी किसी वजह से कंपनी लोन नहीं रीपे कर पाती तो शेयर्स उस फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन के पास चले जाएंगे ऑटोमेटिकली, एंड दे विल बी लायबल टू सेल. सो कंपनी की फाइनेंशियल परफॉर्मेंस एंड इस पॉइंट को ध्यान में रखते हुए माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन इज कि इस IPO से हम सिर्फ प्रीमियम लिस्टिंग का बेनिफिट ही लें, because there are some doubts over its long-term performance, but of course IPO can give 25 to 30% premium listing benefit on its date. So I will suggest Rolex rings for premium listing benefit only, and Glenmark Life Sciences for both premium listing benefit and long-term benefit. तो ये थे हमारे जुलाई के लास्ट IPOs, but obviously it's not an end, क्योंकि ये पूरा साल ही IPO के नाम होने वाला है, एंड वी विल बी गेटिंग सेवरल गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन अपकमिंग मंथ्स एज वेल. सो गेट रेडी टू वेलकम August with another IPOs on the way that can prove to be bumper listers. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe my channel for all the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.